Alright guys, when you last saw this thing, I had put the frame extension kit on. Now, I've done a lot more since then, and I have not filmed any of it, and here's why. Spring is literally around the corner, and the shop is going to be used again for mowers and equipment, so I'm going to get evicted, so I got to keep going, got to get things done as much as I can before my time is up. Put in all the floor pans. Some areas still need cut and welded in. I'm just keeping it that way for now so that way I can adjust things as needed. I've also got the driver's side panel, still needs to go on. It's just kind of mocked up. This piece here, the toe support, as well as the other side. The passenger side panel is on. It just needs to go, it just needs welded along the side up here. Well, below it, I guess. And then I'm currently working on getting the corner of the cab. So instead of it coming all the way out to here like a normal YJ, I'm cutting it and I've put this corner piece on here, and I'll do that to the other side. I'm just fine-tuning it, cutting, measuring before I go all the way and attach it to the other side. And I've also got one race seated, and here's why. Because I needed to know how much room behind it I need for the roll cage, a harness bar, so that way I can cut the cab and make it final. Also going to be really nice to have some storage. I've got a lot of stuff here already, but those are just tools for now. Some things might go on a trip. I don't know, but it's going to be nice to have all this room back here so I can put tools and equipment, recovery gear, clothes, suitcase, whatever.